BravoTV.com. Welcome to my kitchen, and more specifically to my refrigerator. Annabelle will be assisting me today as we talk about what is in our fridge. Annabelle.
What?
You want to come help Mom? Okay, so I like to keep a lot of fruits and vegetables and almond milk. You don't even like almond milk. What are you doing? So, you know, we keep lots of fruits because Annabelle likes grapes. What else do you like? What's your other favorite fruit? You like apples, carrots, as snacks. Also, you always have to have yogurt because one of my twins, Keller, loves yogurt, so he likes to eat yogurt all the time. We like our fruit, right, Annabelle? Strawberries. Okay, let's put that back. Let's see what else is in here. Lots of condiments. This is the stuff that you put over in the side of the refrigerator that you never actually use. It just sits here for years and years, right? Actually, I'm surprised that there's no champagne in my refrigerator right now, which is really weird because it's the only thing that I drink as far as alcohol is concerned. However, I do have 8 bottles of white wine. Not really sure why. I assume it's left over from some party I had a while ago. So, iced coffee for, you know, when you need a little caffeine.
Ew.
You don't drink this.
I drink that.
Sparkling water. I always have sparkling water because it kind of reminds me of champagne. Oh, another thing I always buy are Hawaiian rolls. You can never go wrong with Hawaiian rolls. I don't eat them, but my kids love these. Like snacks, I put them in their lunch. Always have Hawaiian rolls. And I have the bottom drawer, which is always filled with the kids' juices. And the reason I put them in the bottom drawer is so that they can access it by themselves and I don't have to help them get it. That's very smart parenting. Also, I have a drawer dedicated to tortillas because you can never have too many tortillas. I make a lot of quesadillas and lots of cheese sticks because I like to put them in my kids' lunch or snacks, but also I use cheese as a dog snack. Fisker, Fisker. Oh, look, 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 cheese, cheese, cheese.
Sit.
Hold on a second.
Sit. Oh, give me a cheese.
Excuse me.
No,
Sit.
I know what
I understand. Say please.
Sit. Please.
Here.
Sit. Give me your
He
paw.
is sitting.
Give me your paw. No.
Oh.
Sit. 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 Give me your paw. There.
Okay, now give him his cheese.
Half.
Okay. Anyway. All right. So we've got, and one more drawer. I got the yogurt and the fruit drawer. All the little snacky things that go in, you know, kids' lunches, like the fruit cups and the yogurt and what are these? You know, like the yogurts that you drink, all this kind of stuff. I keep in this drawer for the kids' lunches. Okay, so that's everything in my refrigerator. I think it's pretty typical. So thank you for looking at my refrigerator with me.
Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click here. To watch more videos, click here.